Right, here we have a rugby game simulation. This is the Australians in an alternative strip playing the New Zealanders. Um, what we can do is to play through part of the game. So this has been analysed by a group of analysts who've gone through and sort of said this is the skill each player is performing over time. So we get sent a spreadsheet, and then our job is to turn it into a series of sort of realistic looking plays. So this All Black misses it, goes to ground, kind of attempts to form a maul. They lay it back, throws it back to the halfback who kicks. That's Daniel Carter. It's kicking downfield, and it's going to be collected by the Aussie. Throws it out wide, tries to kick through, and actually hits that All Black there and goes out the sideline. So that was the end of that sequence of play. And one of the benefits is that we can go through for a specific player, and so we're looking at Jerome Kano to see how he went into this maul here. Did he put his body in the right position? We can kind of step through it and you can see it popped out. So, who was next to the ball, who secured it, who laid it back. So you can go through as a coach and kind of analyze the details of the play. And alongside this, there are a lot of statistics that would come up. We can also display circles around the players, which indicate did they suck in a player, do they commit players to the tackle before they release the ball. It's quite interesting when you can look at it from the perspective of a given Australian player or a given New Zealand player to see how they were interacting during the game, or we can just go back to the ball tracking view, which means it just always keeps the ball in the center of the action. Basically the way this system worked is you could bring up any one of the plays throughout the entire game. And then analyze that play in some detail. And then this is also known as the skill builder. And what you could do there is you could set up drills where the teams would say doing a line out, and you could create a video from the perspective of, say, the first five, so they could see where the ball was supposed to come and how they were supposed to pick it up and kick it. So you basically create little personalized videos. It's easy in a game like basketball where there's limited numbers of people on the field to draw on a whiteboard. Much more difficult when you've got 26 players to try and keep track of that. So these personalized videos turned out to be very useful. But yeah, this is the rugby motion capture data and simulation. So pretty cool.